This is the love between a man and his cat.
Serious.
As my battery goes dead.
Monkey.
Oh, what? You're getting some great footage, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Hi.
Monkey! You do it.
Monkey. Monkey.
I should come around this side so you can see the full effect of her body, her mass.
The Maine Coon.
This is what a 23-pound cat looks like on a person.
That is love.
This is a large cat. Large and in charge. Oh.
My hand on this cat does not compare.
You can put your hand all up in the fur.
She likes to eat hair in her pastime.
She does. It's one of her favorite pastimes. Oh, what?
Oh.
Ah! Digging the claws into the chest. Ah! Ah, it hurts.